The most powerful software of the next decade may be the software you never open. For most of modern computing, the interface was the deal. If you wanted the machine to do something, you had to meet it on its terms. You learned the menu, you memorized the shortcut, you found the setting, you clicked the tab, filled the field, dragged the file, opened the dashboard, closed the pop-up, confirmed the prompt. Software did not just do work. Software trained humans to operate software. That was the hidden tax of the digital world. Every powerful system came wrapped in a surface you had to learn. Then the surface started to weaken. First came search. You did not need to remember where everything lived. You could ask. Then came autocomplete. The machine began finishing the sentence before you did. Then came assistance. They did not just retrieve information. They began translating intention into action. And now, something stranger is happening. Software is beginning to operate software. An agent can read a page, understand a form, compare two options, move through tabs, extract a number, click a button, summarize the result, and return with the work already done. That sounds like convenience. It is actually a change in who the interface is for. A button was designed for a human finger. A menu was designed for a human eye. A dashboard was designed for a human trying to understand a system from the outside. But if the next user is partly a machine, the interface begins to split. There is the surface humans see, clean, branded, reassuring. And underneath it, another layer, permissions, APIs, browser state, memory, tokens, hidden instructions, machine-readable structure. The old interface asked, "Can you use this tool?" The new interface asks, "Can you describe the outcome clearly enough for something else to use it on your behalf?" That is not a small design trend. That is a boundary moving. Because when the interface disappears, control becomes harder to see. You may not know which page was opened, which option was ignored, which warning was skipped, which default was accepted, which system was trusted because the agent made it feel automatic. The danger is not that software becomes invisible. The danger is that invisible software still makes decisions. A world with fewer buttons may feel simpler, but simplicity can hide distance. The human becomes farther from the mechanism, farther from the choice, farther from the moment where judgment used to live. The future will not only belong to people who know how to use software, it will belong to people who know how to command systems without losing sight of what those systems are doing. The interface is not dying because screens are going away. It is dying because the screen is no longer the boundary. The boundary is the instruction, and whatever understands the instruction now stands between you and the machine.